Looking for the best pool robot to keep your pool sparkling clean without lifting a finger? Stick around, because today we're ranking 5 popular options from worst to best, so you don't waste your time or money. Kicking things off in the 5th spot is the INTEX ZX100. It's a pressure side pool cleaner made specifically for above ground pools, and while it does have a few handy features, it's definitely more of a basic model. The ZX100 is designed for simplicity. It hooks right into your pool's existing inlet and uses water pressure to move across the bottom, picking up dirt, leaves, and even bugs. Oversized wheels help it move more smoothly, and the debris tray is a decent size for cleaning small jobs. It also comes with a long 21-foot hose, which is great for medium-sized pools. But here's the thing, it's not cordless, it can get stuck, and only works with a pretty specific pump range. Plus, it doesn't climb walls or handle uneven pool floors well, which puts it behind the rest of the lineup. So who's this for? If you've got a small, round, above-ground pool and don't want to spend too much, the ZX100 could be enough. Just know there are better options for a little more money. And hey, if you want to check out the latest prices on any of the robots in this video, we've got links to all of them down in the description. Coming in at number 4 is the Hayward W3900, also known as Wanda the Whale. Yeah, it's cute, but don't let the playful design fool you. This little guy can get the job done in a basic pool setup. What makes Wanda stand out is its smart drive steering system. That means it actually moves in a programmed pattern instead of randomly floating around. It's super quiet and hooks up to your existing filtration system, which means no extra pump is required. Setup takes less than 10 minutes, so you can be up and running without breaking a sweat. But like the ZX100, this one's only for above ground pools, and it's limited to the pool floor. It won't climb walls, and if your filtration system isn't strong enough, it may underperform. Also, it's fully dependent on that existing system to work at all. If you want something simple and dependable for an above ground pool, and you're okay with the limitations, Wanda might still be a fun pick. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. At number 3, we've got the PAXCESS HJ1103. This one jumps us into the world of cordless robotic cleaners, and for anyone tired of dealing with tangled cords or complicated setups, this is a big upgrade. The HJ1103 runs on a rechargeable battery. Once it's charged up, it gives you about 60 to 90 minutes of cleaning. It's got a decent coverage area, up to 860 square feet, and automatically docks itself when the battery runs low, which is super handy. It's also really lightweight, so pulling it out of the pool isn't a hassle. Now, the downside is that it only cleans the pool floor, not the walls, and it can struggle with stubborn dirt or large debris. It's a solid step up from the suction or pressure side options we've covered so far, but it's not quite top tier in power or versatility. The PAXCESS is perfect if you want an affordable cordless option that's simple to use and maintain. Just be sure your pool has a flat floor or it might miss a few spots. Ready for something even better? Let's move on. Sliding into second place is the AIPER Seagull 1000. Think of it like the upgraded cousin of the PAXCESS, same cordless design but with more power and a few smart improvements. It still runs for about an hour and a half, but the suction is stronger, 20 gallons per minute, so it picks up more debris in less time. It also features self-parking, so when the battery runs low, it'll move to the edge of your pool, waiting for you to pick it up. That's a small feature, but a big convenience. The trade-off? Well, charging takes a little longer, closer to 7 hours, and it still doesn't clean the walls. Like the PAXCESS, it's best used on flat pool floors. If your pool has slopes or uneven areas, this one might miss some spots too. But if you're after a hassle-free cordless cleaner that performs better than most in its price range, The Seagull 1000 should definitely be on your radar. And hey, if this review's helping you figure out your next pool cleaner, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It keeps the content coming. Taking the top spot on our list is the INTEX ZX300. This is hands down the most capable cleaner of the bunch, and it's the only one here that can actually climb the walls of your pool. It's powered by your pool pump, so there are no batteries to charge. The dual rotating scrubbers work on fine particles and stubborn dirt, and it has a strong 700 gallon per hour suction rate. It can even handle vertical surfaces, making it way more thorough, more than any of the others on this list. Still, it's not perfect. It's limited to above ground pools, and while the scrubbers are effective, they tend to wear out faster with frequent use. It also struggles a bit with bigger debris like leaves, but hey, no cleaner is flawless. If you want the best combination of power, wall cleaning ability, and durability, especially for an above ground setup, the ZX300 is a no-brainer. If you're ready to pick up on any of these pool robots, don't forget to check the description below for the best deals and latest prices. And as always, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world reviews just like this.